Okay, fine. As I said, today I would be discussing two more topics. That is the virtual machine redeploy and virtual machine reapply. These two concepts are about when you make a virtual machine. Like I created in the earlier video, day one, I have created a virtual machine which is about Windows Server. Uh, the virtual machine which you have created is able to start. Okay, when you try to connect, the virtual machine, and then the virtual machine doesn't connect. Like uh, I used RDS to connect the virtual machine. Like when I click on the RDS, I got a key, and then when I open the key, I have entered my credentials. So the virtual machine is not starting it. It has started. Okay, it has started, but uh, it's not. I'm not getting the keys or not able to open the virtual machine like a Windows Server. In those cases, we redeploy it so that I can connect to RDS or through SSH. Okay, so in those cases, I can do that. But what if your virtual machine is not at all starting? It's not opening. So then fail to start or fail to stop or fail to start restart whatever it is. Then what we do is we just reapply it. Let me show you the location of that. So okay, okay, here. So virtual machines, I have gone through. There is a virtual machine for me that is running Azure. This is a SSH um, Ubuntu. I think Ubuntu. Yeah, Ubuntu. Sorry, it is a Ubuntu one. So whenever I try to start it, it's opening. It's opening. But when I try to connect to SSH or RDP, there might be I might be not getting proper response because it's a Linux one. I'm not getting this. So if at all, if your RDS is not connecting at all, then what we have to do is just we have to go to the help, we have to select redeploy or reapply, and then just redeploy it. Okay. Suppose suppose you have opened your virtual machine, and in the overview you cannot even start it or stop the virtual machine or restart the virtual machine. In those cases, what we do is we reapply the virtual machine so that it can do proper actions. To add some note here, as he is mentioned, if you redeploy it, whatever the temporary information stored in the drive will be lost. Like suppose if you worked on the virtual machine like Windows Server, and then you have some temporary data stored like in Notepad or somewhere in MS Word or somewhere else, and if you click on redeploy, those information is lost. Okay, so that is a main difference between redeploying of virtual machine and reapplying of virtual machines. Okay, thank you.